In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Land Cruiser key fob to change the internal battery at home. All you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries. And if you'd like to get one of those online, I will put a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step here is to flip this over and hold down this little switch while you pull out the internal key. And as you can see, there is that large hole there, that's the keyhole. And there's this little slot to the side of it, perpendicular to it. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area. See if you can get a good look at it. It's just to the side and you will see it pretty clearly. Just insert a flathead screwdriver into there and hold the device loosely and twist the screwdriver. You can pull this apart with your fingers now. And now we just want to carefully remove this circuit board because under here is the battery. So pull that out. From here we can just take our flathead screwdriver and insert it between the battery and this black plastic behind it. So hold the device, hold this little component by the sides, and you just want to push your flathead under there. Just apply kind of a constant pressure and just wiggle it in there. You want to get under and then sort of pry it out or twist even. And this thing will start to come out and then you can just pull it out with your fingers. So let me show you that one more time. We are going in with the corner, kind of getting it under there, and you can just push it in, you can twist, you can wiggle, whatever works for you. And right there, that is a CR2032. Make sure that the positive side is going face up when you put the new battery back in there. And last thing here, just take the back of this plastic and you can see that little circle. That is where we're going to put the battery. So set that down right on top of there and just go ahead and click these two halves back together. You can now put your key back in and you are ready to go. So I hope that helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every maker model, so go ahead and check those out, or you can visit us directly at fobbattery.com.